How to unblock someone on Badoo. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Badoo. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Badoo app. And after that, kindly register or log in with your existing Badoo account. And on the Badoo app, you can see different people by clicking the encounters, in which we can block a person by clicking the three dots on the corner. And by doing so, it will give you the two options. The first option is to block someone, while the second option is to block and report this person. So if you just want to block this person, kindly click block. And after that, it will ask you the question if you are sure to blocking this person. If yes, kindly click yes, block. Or if you want to block and report this person, you can click the second options. And by clicking yes, block, the person will automatically disappear to your screen. And to unblock the person that you just blocked, all you need to do is to go to your profile, and from here, kindly click the settings above your profile picture or username. In which by doing so, it will lead you in here. And the next step is to click the block user under these settings. And under the block users, you will see the list of the person you just been blocked. And in order to unblock those person, all you need to do is to click on them. And from this, kindly click the three dots at the top corner of the picture. And after that, it will only give you the options to unblock this person. And to unblock it, kindly click unblock. And by doing so, you will see that this person that you just been unblocked will not be shown on the list of block users you just blocked. So that means you successfully unblocked the users. So that's it. If you want to know how to unblock someone on Badoo, that is just how to do it. If you think this video was helpful, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.